Vietnam exports more than 6 million of rice every year. Millions of people in Vietnam depend on rice farming for their daily livelihood. 2012 alone, my country imported $318 million in rice, mainly from Vietnam. The country is one of the world's richest agricultural regions and is the second largest exporter of rice worldwide after Thailand. Now, with the introduction of technology and making farming very easy, Vietnam has now introduced the use of agri-drones in spraying and even watering rice. I caught up with this man also using agri-drone to spray fertilizers on the rice.
So that's how it is. Man, the drone is something else. This is how technology has got into in Vietnam, to the extent that they use bigger drones to fertilize the rice farm. So this is the rice farm, and they are going to use a drone to spray the fertilizers. This is amazing.
Let's take a good look at the drone and how it is made up, the various components, and what brand this drone really is.
So this is a DJI Propulsion Laboratory. So this is also made by DJI. The DJI is a masterpiece in this, and this is an Agridrone. This is an Agridrone. Are you going to spray the rice with a drone?
Drone.
You are going to spray?
Yeah. Cho kiểu ảnh cái tay lui. Nó muốn bay lên cho nó quay tí đấy. Từ.
Okay. Is that what technology? My teacher.
Teacher for drone.
Oh, teacher for drone. Okay. Are you from here? Are you Vietnamese?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we are going to.
I live in Hanoi.
Oh, Hanoi. Okay. I see. So let's see how it's going to go. So that's the fertilizer. They are going to put the fertilizers into the drone pack. Holy shit. Okay, so that is the rice fertilizers. That's the battery.
Chỗ này 3 hectare. Dài khoảng 200 cân thì không có vấn đề gì cả.
He's about to start the drone. That is the controller for the drone. That is technology in Vietnam. Man, Vietnam is speeding very fast. Like, okay, you can have. Holy shit. So that is the drone. Yeah.
Đi đâu rồi?
Yeah. Yeah, so that is the controller from the drone. That's the battery.
Chỗ này 3 hectare. Dài khoảng 200 cân thì không có vấn đề gì cả.
He's about to start the drone. Okay, you can have. Holy shit. So that is the drone.
Cho 10 cân nữa.
Okay. So everyone is supposed to go back. Holy shit. Okay. Hi. So that's how it is. Man, the drone is something else. The drone.
Các bạn
Yes.
cơm chưa?
Unfortunately, he can't speak English. I also can't speak Vietnamese. So let's see. Let's do the flying. Oh. So that is how technology has advanced in Vietnam.
Để cho cái lửa kia bị.
I see. So is it spraying? Unfortunately, I don't. Wow. That is the drone spraying the fertilizers on the rice. I mean, spraying the fertilizer on the rice, and it moves in line. I think the first set is almost done. The first set is almost done. The first set of spraying is almost done. Yeah.
Đấy, hôm nay vừa có thằng bạn ở Angola nó về chơi thôi. ông Tây rau muống.
So I just saw him click return to home, and I know that return to home means that the drone is going to land at exactly where we started the drone, because the fertilizers it's finished. Holy shit. This is awesome. Holy shit. So guys, this is how far technology in Vietnam has come to. So people now spray their rice farms with drones. It's so amazing in Vietnam. Yeah.
The government in Vietnam has measures in place to ensure that there is adequate water for the people to farm rice every time. As a result, he created channels that link water to every part of the country where there is rice production. These channels in other countries or areas are seen as gutters, but in Vietnam, these are channels that channel water to every part of the country. There are a lot of dams spread across the countryside. At least from every 100 meters or 200 meters in Vietnam countryside, you are likely to see a dam storing water. And most of the farmers take advantage of this to either add fish farming or raising of ducks. No wonder these meat are very popular in Vietnam. And fish is very cheap in Vietnam because in the countryside, there are a lot of rice farms with people rearing fish or raising ducks.